Do I have some? I caught the freaking turtle. Guys, look, I caught a turtle. A snapping turtle. Shoot. Get it off. Get off, dude. Yeah, scrape it off. Yes, I got it off. Let's go. How bent is my hook? Pretty bent.